Hello everyone. So I would like to introduce you all to Walter the watermelon. Walter, say hello to the people. Yeah, okay, he's a little quiet. But anyway, I do want to share a couple thoughts with you that I had about Walter. You see how Walter is straight? Well, Walter actually is straight because he's had a little help. So Walter is facing what is actually an east window, so every morning he gets the sun. And what he tends to do is he tends to bend towards the sun. And so then he gets to become a little lopsided. Now, if he was outside, the sun would go, of course, over him and to the other side, and so he'd get sun on all directions. But because he's in an indoor environment, growing to get ready to go outside in the garden later when spring warms up, he needs a little help. So what happened is this morning, Walter was leaning to one side. So see this container? It got flipped, right? And so every day he gets switched so that all sides of him get to see the light evenly. So for a little while, Walter's going to need some help from his human farmers getting the light he needs. But once he gets outside in the spring, you see that, the garden, he's gonna be all good. So he'll get all the light he needs. The whole point of this is we sometimes meet people who are like Walter the watermelon, and sometimes the people we meet might need a little bit of help from time to time. So yeah, keep your eyes open to see if there's someone that today maybe has been placed in your path to assist or to be assisted by you. But sometimes we ourselves need a little help, and we want to be open as well to having other people assist us, because sometimes we're just not in the best environment for whatever reason. All right, so those are the thoughts on Walter. All right, say bye, Walter. Okay, Walter's not saying anything. That's it. Peace.